Hi there, this is April Jensen, and I just wanted to show you how to navigate the new Sculpt University. So here's the front page that we have. We've got some specials going on right now, and this link here will show you how to get to the free tutorials. Sculpt University has been known for being filled with tutorials, and a lot of them are actually free as well. And we do have our membership on sale at 25% off. So what I'd like to do first is show you the free tutorials. So I'm going to go up here, or you can just click on this button here. And that will take us to the free page. And here it first shows you about Sculpt community and Sculpt University membership. So the membership is the one that is filled with all the different projects, all the videos, so you will be loaded with sculpting material with that one. The other one is Sculpt community, and this one is more just for artists to get together. It's got a forum that we can talk with each other and share what we're working on, that type of thing. There's also a section inside here that has a bunch of free tutorials too. So first what we need to do is put in an email. I'm just using a fake one at the moment, and then put in our name. And I'm going to do Tessie Tester, and then a password as well. And then if you'd like to get our notices, you just come and click right there. And then now over here you can see you can choose one of the different memberships that are the paid memberships, or you can take the free Sculpt community. If you get either of these memberships, you'll automatically be part of the community as well. So we're going to leave it on the free one, and then all we do is just create an account. Accept terms, and then get now. Alright, so now we've got access to Sculpt University community. And once you're here, you can see that once you're logged in, you've got the community that lights up and also this products link that lights up. Before they were not there. So what we're going to do is just take a peek at the community quickly. We'll click here for all topics. We've got some for the frequently asked questions. Here's where we can introduce ourselves. Here's the grand opening section that's going to only be available in this first week that Sculpt University is open. And what's inside here are some of our premium video sets that are available this week. Each day there will be a different one or two in there, so you can stop by each day and be able to watch one that usually costs a bit for free. So that's the grand opening one, and then this is the one where we have our free tutorials as well. Down here we can answer sculpting questions, and here is our show and tell area. That's where you can post your pictures and talk about what you're working on. So you just click on the topic you want to go to. You're always welcome to put your own post in. And then here I have a special page that will show you the different tutorials we have. And also here we've got many of them that are just, you can watch from this post. Alright, so I'm not going to click on here right now because that's for those of you who can make it into the community to be able to get access to those. And that will show you where all the free tutorials are as well. Now something else I wanted to show you is now you've got this products area. And if you click on it, right here you'll see that we only have the Sculpt community right now, so we don't have any actual products. You can click over here to see what other products are available. And then several of these are actually free. So another way that you can get some free ones is to go ahead and then click on this. This one is full of baby reference photos. And then click Get Now. Do the accept. Click Get Now again. And then View Product. Alright, so this takes you right into all those baby photos that are just very darling and great for when you're going to be sculpting a baby. Now when we go back to products, now in products, the one that you have is listed there. So let's get a few more in there. Got bear babies, we do is click Get Now, accept the terms, Get Now again, and then view the product. Here you can learn how to create this cute little bear baby doll that only takes a sculpted baby head. And as you work on these different videos, you have the opportunity to choose to complete it right there, and then that will show it as completed. Many of the videos have many segments, and so it'll show you how much of the segment you've gotten done. So now we'll just go back to our ones that we have here in our products. All right, and then if you decide to buy one rather than get the membership and just say you want the BJD clothing, then you can just go through the same process, except the difference will be it will say buy now instead of get now, and then it will give you a chance to put in your credit card information and any discount code that you might have. So be sure to stop by, go into Join Sculpt You so you can see the community, and then you'll be able to find the special coupon code that's hiding in there too that you can use, and you'll be able to save 25% off during this grand opening week. Also on our first page, whenever you click on the logo, it will take you to that first page and it teaches you all about what Sculpt University is, talks about myself and Jack Johnston. And then down here, we have a list of all the different tutorials that you can access through Sculpt University. We've got Jack's art doll books right here as well. Let's say we wanted to do this one. Again, it just takes you to the buy now. Okay, so that's what it looks like if we buy one, and I just put in one of my coupon codes so I'd be able to get into see the product, so I can show you what they look like. Here, you can complete each one as you go through, and you can either go down this list or you can just click to the next page. Either way, it tells you what's needed in there, your patterns, reference photos, and then down here we've got the videos going. So let's say that we click this too. When you've got the videos, you can push play here.
Welcome to Sculpting, a simple
and then you can
ball
also
doll. So this doll is more childlike.
So just with this button up here, you can get a nice size video to be able to watch easily here. All right, so now it will just say how many that we've visited. And if it's completed, you can just check it here and then it will get checked off right there and also show you how far it's been completed. All right, so now we'll just go back to the products. Now this one has been faded out a little bit because it is completed, but now you've got a mix here, whether you've purchased them or whether you've just found the free ones that are throughout the site. All you need to do is just come and visit your product area and they will be collected here for you. So it's pretty simple to do that. So I would like you to have a chance to kind of get an idea of what these tutorials are like. And so a lot of them have been put into this 10-day e-course on sculpting. And so if you haven't already, be sure to sign up for this and it will get you started on your 10-day e-course that you'll receive by email. All right, I think that's about it. So anyway, I'm excited to have this open again. I'm excited that there's so much inside. Let's just look at these products real quick. They've got all sorts of articles, video sets. It's just chock full. So if you are into sculpting, if you have just found this, this is one of the best ways to be able to have access to all this information at a fraction of the price. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to see you stop by Sculpt You. And once inside, I hope that you'll stop by and join us and come here, make a connection, and go ahead and say hello. Here's mine, where I just give a little bit of information about myself. And then these posts are waiting for you. Thanks a lot.